Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remain myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. All right, so in today's lesson, I'll be showing you a 736 Tritone application. I'll be in the key of F today. So we're going to do this song by Zero Sin that said that we give you all. Right, so let me, I'll play it first, like my usual style, then I will teach you. So I'm in the key of F. If you're watching this video by now, I guess you should play in the key of F. So it goes like this. Don't mind my voice, I don't sing. We give you all. So the tritone there covers three. Instead of doing we give you all, then 2, 5, 1, 4, like we usually do. So we'll do something like this. We give you all. Then we'll do another thing like this. The glory. So let me not waste time. So let me show you what I'm doing here. So I'm playing my 1 first. We are starting with 1. In the key of F, you have a F on the left. We have a C, F, A on the right. So for your 5 also, or 7, you could do we'll have a we give. So on the left, we have a E for our 7. Then on the right, we have a C, E, G. Then comes the stuff, the tritone, right? From So what we are doing is we are trying to cover 3 to 6. 3 to 6 in the key of F is A to D. So, but instead of playing the roots chords, like playing 3 and then 6, I'm not doing like I'm doing something like this. So what's that? I'm doing C sharp and G tritone, C sharp and C sharp and G tritone. That tritone actually belongs to that's what's it called? A dominant 7, which is the 3rd and the flattened 7th in the key of A. So, but right, I'm just showing the practicals now. So before you hold the tritone, you run your what's it called? E flat second inversion chord or triad. So we have our E flat, we have the first inversion, the second inversion is our B flat, E flat, and G. So you run that up, you play that up chromatically to F. So you go from E flat all the way to E, which is B, E, and G sharp all the way to F. That's a C, F, A. So then on the F, you're going to land the tritone C sharp and G tritone on your left. So together we have a. Then you do something like this. Your 6. So this is a rootless 6 now. So we have a. Right? So on the left hand, we have a F sharp major 7. This is like the 3rd inversion, if I'm right. That's a C, E, F, A on the left. Then on the right, you're going to play a C triad. So that's a C, G, E, and G, but I'm going to do something like this, right? So we're going to do that. So we have a, we give you all. So we've covered for 7, 1, 7, 3, 6. Now we want to go to 2. So we'll do something like this also. Pa, 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 pa. So what are we doing here? We are just doing E minor triad, all the way down to D minor triad. But I'm playing like the second inversion, right? So to go to 2, so we're going to have a B, E, and G on the left, on the right hand, sorry. So we're going to go from B, E, and G all the way down to B flat, you flatten them, E flat and G flat, all the way down to A, D, and F. So that's your 2. So pa, pa, pa. Then we're going to 5 now. 5, so you just do your 5. So I'm doing F to C actually, right? So that's like, but of course I'm playing a brilliant, what's it called? Inversions, which is A, C, F to G, F, E. So pa, 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 pa. So together we have a, we give you all. Then we have a pa, pa, pa. The glory, right? Then 5, 1. We worship you, our God. So for this other part of the song, I already taught this before on the channel. So if you need the link, just comment below that I need the link to watch this other part of the song, because I already did this before. So God bless you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click the subscribe button. Share it with your friends also. God bless you. Bye. Thank you.